Relational Database Design and SQL Queries in ASP.NET Core. This video features 10 challenging questions. You will have 5 seconds per question before the answer is revealed. Question 1. Which statement best describes the purpose of a primary key in a relational database table used in an ASP.NET Core backend?
Option 1. It uniquely identifies each record in the table. Option 2. It stores large binary objects such as images. Option 3. It creates a reference to another table's column. Option 4. It groups records with similar values for faster retrieval.
The correct answer is, it uniquely identifies each record in the table.
Question 2. You need to store a user's email address in a database table. Which SQL data type is most suitable for this column in an ASP.NET Core project?
Option 1. Boolean. Option 2. Varchar. Option 3. Date. Option 4. Int.
The correct answer is varchar.
Question 3. Why is normalization important when designing relational databases for an ASP.NET Core backend?
Option 1. To guarantee faster application startup times. Option 2. To reduce data redundancy and improve data integrity. Option 3. To ensure all columns are integers. Option 4. To increase the number of indexes available.
The correct answer is, to reduce data redundancy and improve data integrity.
Question 4. In a relational database for an ASP.NET Core backend, how do you create a direct relationship between an orders table and a customers table?
Option 1. By making both tables have the same primary key. Option 2. By using the select distinct statement with both tables. Option 3. By adding a foreign key column in orders referencing customers. Option 4. By storing all order data inside the customers table.
The correct answer is, by adding a foreign key column in orders referencing customers.
Question 5. Which SQL statement will retrieve all columns from the products table in an ASP.NET Core backend database?
Option 1. Delete from products. Option 2. Select asterisk from products. Option 3. Update product set price equals 0. Option 4. Insert into products values, sample, 10.
The correct answer is, select asterisk from products.
Question 6. You want to find all users older than 30 in the users table. Which clause should you add to your SQL select statement?
Option 1. Group by age. Option 2. Order by age DESC. Option 3. Having age greater than 30. Option 4. Where age greater than 30.
The correct answer is, where age greater than 30.
Question 7. If you want to list all orders along with customer names, which SQL operation should you use between the orders and customers tables?
Option 1. Create index. Option 2. Union all. Option 3. Alter table. Option 4. Inner join.
The correct answer is inner join.
Question 8. In the context of relational databases and ASP.NET Core, which SQL statement performs an update to existing records?
Option 1. Update. Option 2. Drop. Option 3. Select. Option 4. Delete.
The correct answer is update.
Question 9. Which SQL keyword ensures that the values in a particular column are always unique in a table?
Option 1. Unique. Option 2. Index. Option 3. Foreign. Option 4. Default.
The correct answer is unique.
Question 10. How do you specify a default value for a column in an SQL table during its creation in a relational database?
Option 1. Use the primary keyword next to the value. Option 2. List the value under the foreign clause. Option 3. Add the default keyword followed by the value in the column definition. Option 4. Include the unique keyword after the value.
The correct answer is add the default keyword followed by the value in the column definition.